Earlier this week, Health Minister Dr. Frank Anthony called for greater cooperation from residents of Moraikobai to facilitate a better assessment of the COVID-19 situation in the village as more cases were being recorded. He noted that as a result of mixed messages floating around the village about the disease, many of the residents were reluctant to get tested. Nonetheless, on Wednesday, he pointed out that yet another medical team, inclusive of a doctor, will be deployed to the area to conduct further testing.
We believe by having the doctor kind of embedded there, that we would see better results. And we continue to talk to the village leaders to ensure that they understand what we're trying to do. So hopefully we'll probably see some more cases as we do more testing, but eventually we'll be able to see those numbers come down.
When contacted by this newscast, Toshao of the village, Collin Adrian, said that not having the requisite knowledge, many of the residents had initially registered concerns about having to be tested multiple times for the disease. However, now that they are more knowledgeable of the testing criteria, they have indicated an improved willingness to work with health officials.
Most residents test more than 2 to 3 times, so they're kind of curious about is it they have to be retesting. So they were a bit curious. So I think now they understand it more. So they're having some cooperation to a level.
Collin also noted that majority of the cases registered in Moraikobai are asymptomatic. Regional and government officials on Friday, January 15th, imposed a 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. curfew on the village, which had registered more than 30 confirmed cases of the disease. The Toshao, when questioned on enforcement of the curfew measures, highlighted that while there is limited police presence, the residents are complying with the rules. Moraikobai recorded its first COVID-19 case in November 2020. Temika Rodney reporting for the HGP Nightly News.